So, this is a love reading for you, Taurus, for September to October. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards for you and your love interest. Maybe it is your spouse, maybe it is somebody you have a crush on, maybe it is your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your partner. So, this is a general reading, and everything will not resonate with all Taurus, and whatever will vary in the intensity. So, also do read my September newsletter and circulate it as widely as possible. Who are you in the relationship, Taurus, and who is your partner? Then, what is the strength and challenges your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear you have about the future with your partner, and likewise your partner has with you? What is the past you are coming from and your partner is coming from, and how's overall the guidance for the love reading? So, you both are very alike, and as I see the cards, you both met outdoors, either while working or traveling or just doing something together. So there's a lot of energy about action, about being outdoors that I'm seeing here. When I look at you, Taurus, you are busy with work and you're trying to do way too much work, and you are also telling the world, whether it is your family, whether it is your friends, even your love interest, you're telling everybody that I don't have time, I can't talk to you right now, and I want to first finish what I have at hand. You're not meeting many people, there is a lot of time that you're spending working. So while it is good that you're trying to build something for the family, or maybe for your love interest, or maybe just for yourself, but you're not spending as much time you should in the relationship. You're completely occupied with your work. Some of you, Taurus, you may be getting a complaint from your partner that you're taking your partner or taking them for granted. So sometimes you don't answer calls, sometimes you don't respond, and then when you do, you expect your partner to be all attention, listening to you and responding. So you may be getting a lot of complaints from your partner about this, Taurus. When I look at your partner, he or she is very childlike, very harmless, and maybe is working at a position which is fairly junior to where you are working. So you may be somebody who's passed out from a very good or a big college, or you are somebody working at a very big position and your partner is working at a fairly junior position, because I'm seeing a childlike energy, somebody who has fairly less work and then is just more busy with discussion and maybe certain workplace conflict than actually doing the work. So I'm seeing this guidance of your partner being fairly junior, and so you both may be the same age, but just that he or she may be doing a very less work or at a position junior, way junior to you. This is one. The other I'm seeing is your partner starts fighting with you over smallest of thing. As a partner to Taurus, you start a argument very quickly, but the good part is you say what you need to say, but then you also quickly forget it, because this is childlike energy, these are children who are fighting, and then they forget things very quickly. It's not like it's a certain revenge which is going on for years and some bloodbath is going to happen. That's not what is happening, but you do complain a good deal, or once in a while, or every time you're hurt or you're upset, and then you forget about it very quickly. Also, some of you should develop a certain maturity about you, because I'm just seeing is you're dealing with people who are more or less like you or are friends with you from the workplace, because you are forever at war or at conflict with some people about certain things. So maybe have a new set of friends or people from a different walk of life where you have something new to talk about or something new to do. So this is how the two of you are. Also, as a partner, you're always available to anybody and everybody. It's like, even if Taurus parents are calling, you will take the call and talk to them. Or your neighbors want to talk, you are the one who will talk and discuss. So I'm just saying is, you are the one facing the world, and if it needs you to fight or clear or hold a stance, you're doing it. So sometimes Taurus is calling you a fighter cock, or calling you somebody who fights very quickly, or some such thing. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring, and what is the strength and challenges your partner brings? So, you are a keeper of love, and it is very important that you are with someone who holds you very precious, or holds you in very high regard. And you are somebody very sensitive as well, so maybe you like to not deal with so many people, and this partner to whom you have given your heart, you also hold this person very close and very precious. You are not somebody who likes to be alone or just by yourself, so you like to surround yourself with loving people, and there's a lot of love and affection you have in you to give to people, but it doesn't show up as quickly. There's a very big layer of there's just very big layer where you hide these emotions and love. Maybe it is just reserved for your partner. Some of you could be very close to one of your parents also, Taurus. I'm just saying you're very, very close to one of your parents. Now, when I'm looking at strength and challenges for you as a partner, you've been working very hard, and you are looking or waiting for a payday. Some of you are wanting to get paid very well for your work, and you're very patient. So, I'm seeing one very clear guidance here, that you are a kind of person who is what you are on the outside as well as on the inside. There is no trick, there is no conflict going on with you, the partner. You are the person who shows up or appears to be on the outside, and you are the same person inside. There's no mind game that you're playing. You're not manipulative. You're very, very straightforward, and a person who's very true. So when I'm seeing this card, it's telling me there are no fights happening about money in this relationship. Neither of you are fighting about money, and I'm seeing that you're very patient, and next to you've done the work, and next to never are you fighting about money. This is a very good guidance. It's like somebody who's very sober, who cares for emotions and love and romance and time together, and not necessarily the best and the most expensive of gifts. So you're not very money minded, or you're not very asking for money and riches all the time. How does Taurus see you, and how do you see Taurus? Taurus sees you as someone who's not a great looker, but is someone they will like to they like, or they like spending time with. Also, he or she sees you as someone who doesn't make up the mind very quickly. Taurus feels that as a partner, you take a lot of time in deciding things. So sometimes you take forever in deciding smallest of things, or a lot of people just start interrupting you or distracting you when you are making a decision, or you're going about doing things, or making some plans. When So, what is the impression, or how do you see Taurus? I'm seeing that you are saying that Taurus has found you as the perfect mate or the perfect partner, and he or she will definitely marry you. So, you totally see Taurus as the real deal, and someone who's found you after a very long wait and a lot of screening through, and now has met you as a perfect person. Also, you see Taurus as someone who's taken their time to meet you or date you and did not very quickly jump into this relationship. Now, what is the hope or fear you have about the future together? And what is the hope or fear your partner has about the future together? So, about the future, Taurus, you feel that this relationship could settle into something very routine. It could become a bit boring, that the two of you may not have that click going, or that certain thing that is working out may not work out eventually in the long term. So, whatever is the attraction may die out in the long term. This is how you feel, Taurus, about the future. Maybe if you discuss things, you went out more, or if you spend time more talking to each other, then maybe this energy could change. But right now, this is how you feel, that the relationship or togetherness could settle into something of a routine or a boredom, and then it could be something that's not so enjoyable in the long term. You're not negative, but you feel you may just become this very regular couple with a very boring regular life. So, this is how you see things would happen in the long term. About the long term, your partner feels that you don't clear the air, Taurus. That lot of times when you want to fight, or there is a reason to fight or argue or speak up, or what is bothering you, you don't tell, and then there is this air of confusion. There's a lot of air of not talking, and your partner feels that this could affect the relationship in the long term, because you choose to not speak and fight, or just tell what is bothering you. So maybe you choose to stay silent or not discuss anything or tell anything, but in the long term, your partner feels this could affect the two of you together. Now, what is the past you are coming from, and what is the past your partner is coming from? In the past, you've had a lot of roller coaster emotionally. There were things that you did not understand, or you reacted to everything that you felt, and then it took its toll, and emotionally you felt very, very hurt. So, I'm seeing maybe that is the reason why you choose to stay cut off and stay very dived into work, and not so much, take on every complaint or fight that your partner has with you every now and then, because you've been through a lot of emotional upheaval maybe in the past. It's not necessarily a past relationship, it could be maybe with one of the parents or siblings or just relatives, but you've been through something very emotionally big, and you don't like that emotional whole upheaval, so you like to stay away from it. You totally try to stay away from it. Your partner is coming from a energy or a very high or a big high in life, and now is experiencing little bit downtime or off time. It's quite possible some of you are with a partner who's taken a break from work, or is going through a certain low at work, so he or she had it very easy. Also, it's quite possible your partner started out very young, and then you know did not have much luck in creating a big career for themselves. So he or she has suffered a lot of downtime, and has maybe seen a certain upswing in the past, but definitely has also seen a lot of struggles and downtime. And it is possible your partner is still seeing a lot of downtime, and maybe it's affecting the relationship in some bit. But I'm seeing that your partner doesn't fight over money, is very, very patient, and likes to keep things together over emotions and love. So how's overall the guidance for the love reading? Hmm, it's looking tough. You know, I'm just saying is, unless you both are committed to make it work on its own, luck is not going to come through and make the things happen. You both will need a commitment from each other, or you both will need to have very solid mind to want to make this work, or to want to be together for the long term. On its own, things are not so heavily supported. You both will have to overcome fair deal of struggle or obstacles, understanding each other, and then only maybe things will work out. But also, I'm saying is that there's no help available. If you both want to go together or want to be together, there's not much help available. Maybe because either the two of you don't have much of a family, or one of your family is not agreeing, and it's looking to me that partner, it is your family who does not agree to Taurus, because there's a fight going on. You're fighting with a lot of people, and it could be your parents, it could be your siblings, it could be your relatives, and it could be over Taurus. So there's no help available also, and on its own things are looking tough. So unless you both have a great commitment to be together, this on its own, this relationship will not materialize, or will be a very difficult journey, or a lot of obstacles that you both will need to cross. So this is how the reading is for you, and for you Taurus and your partner.